Halo kay Ube! Hola mga katutski! Welcome to Potolicious Food House. So today is a day in the life of a Potolicious owner. So let's go! So today is a very busy day. So ito yung toasted puto pao natin na buy one take one together with the salted egg tsaka ube halaya. If you never tried this one, maybe this is the perfect time to try our buy one take one because this one is only limited edition. Ano daw? Edition, Charis. O diba, may pa-limited edition tayo sa puto pao toasted natin na buy one take one. Pero honestly talaga, masarap talaga yung toasted puto pao. So wag na kayo magdalawang isip pa kundi pumunta na kayo dito, bumisita na kayo dito sa Potolicious Food House, Arnaldo Highway, Barangay Santa Clara, General Trias, Cavite. Pero kung hindi po nyo pa natitikman talaga yung halo-halo, this is the best halo-halo ever here in Cavite. Parang hindi ko alam kung saan pa yung masarap, pero this is the original, the best halo-halo talaga. So yung halo-halo ko sa amin, we have 3 halo-halo. But actually, we have a 12 halo-halo together with the kunyelo. First, we have the ube halo-halo. So, pure ube lang talaga siya na nilalagay namin tsaka with the ice cream and then something milk na nilalagay. Kaya malalasan mo talaga siya na pure halo-halo. Walang ibang halo kundi ube lang talaga siya. Kaya tinatawag ko siyang halukay ube, Charis. Next naman natin, meron tayong super halo-halo. So, yung super halo-halo natin, meron siyang mga beans. Kasi yung special kasi wala siyang beans. So, yun yung difference ng super halo-halo dun sa special halo-halo. Si super may beans, si special walang beans. Pero yung mixture nila, the same nun na may ganyan. Ganyan yung super halo-halo tsaka ube, pero beans na talaga ang difference nila. Yung regular naman natin, pure ice lang siya, tapos meron siya naka-separate na milk lang siya. That's the regular one. Pero kahit regular siya, masarap pa rin talaga dahil nga sa ube na pure na ginagamit namin na mismo kami ang gumagawa, tsaka yung ube ice cream. Look kung gaano kasarap ang toppings, 'di ba? Sa toppings pa lang mabubusog ka na talaga. And also we have the mango halo-halo, the buko pandan halo-halo, the fruit salad halo-halo but it's already phased out. And then we have the kunyelo, the banana kunyelo or saging kunyelo, kamote kunyelo, mais kunyelo, the coco crunch kunyelo and the Milo kunyelo. O, diba? So, ang dami namin mga available drinks talaga siya. So, sineseparate namin lagi yung milk para at least hindi siya mag-melt agad. And then, we're giving extra ice talaga on top of that para just in case na gusto nilang i-add or hindi, pwede lang gamitin. Then, after that, so mag-enjoy talaga sila sa kinakain nila. Minsan nga, yung halo-halo namin not only for one but good for 2. So, anyway, so now, this is our under renovations na extension ng kitchen namin. So, hopefully the kitchen will be finished soon. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting. So, if you've never been here in the Potolicious Food House, so please come and visit and try our Potolicious. So, once again, whatever you choose to do, happiness is homemade. Bye!